Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Sisters Kitchen India. Today I'm going to share with you a very tasty recipe. In Bengali we call it Ilish Macher Tel Jhol. It's very easy to make, so let's check it how we are going to prepare. In the first stage we need to fry our Hilsa fish pieces. As you can see, we have already marinated it with some salt and turmeric powder. We have marinated it for almost 10 minutes. Now we are going to fry it from both the sides for almost 30 seconds. After frying it from both the sides, now we are going to take it out into another container. To make the gravy, we have taken the same oil. Now we are going to add some kalo jeera into this. We'll saute it for some time, and after that we'll be adding 2 slit green chilies into this. We'll fry them again. And after frying them for some time, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder into this. Now I am going to add the water that we have gotten from the marinated fish, and now we are going to boil it for almost 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it has come to a boil. Now we are going to add some salt according to your taste. We'll mix it properly, and now we are going to add our fried Hilsa fish pieces into this. And after adding them, we are going to cook it for another 5 minutes. Friends, our Ilish Macher Tel Jhol is absolutely ready to eat. If you like our recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Thank you. Have a good day.